Hello guys, today we prepare a cacciatorini salami, Italian traditional salami, very easy to make it. And this one that you see is 20 ml of wine with 1 clove of garlic. Yesterday night I put the garlic inside the wine. After we throw the garlic and we keep the wine because the taste now of the garlic is in the wine. Okay, now I give you the ingredients together. So 20 ml of wine, 1 clove of garlic, 24 gram of sea salt, 4 gram of black pepper, 2 gram I will put in grain, the other 2 gram I will grain directly on the meat. 300 gram of belly pork, 700 gram of loin pork. Plus you need the gut and the line to tie your salami. If you have the grounder meat, you can use it. The holes of the grounder should be between 6 and 8 millimeter. If not, you can do with a knife like me. One advice, more the meat is cold, more is easy to cut it. So maybe you can put 5 minutes in the refrigerator before that you start cutting the meat. In the gut, now I will put a teaspoon of vinegar. This gut I received it from l'uomo di casa when we make the soppressata together. If not, if you cannot find your country, I already posted the video to make the gut at home directly from the intestine of the pork. After now I put all the ingredients together. I will do with a knife because I have now the meat grounder or incher meat, I don't know, the machine that cut the meat. And after I will put in the gut using the instrument that I already showed the other time that I make the salami, but I'll show you later. Remember to have also the line to tie them. Cut all the meat. For 1 kilogram of meat I spend 2 hours. So if you want to do a lot of cacciatorini, like 10 kilogram of meat, it's better if you find the machine that ground the meat. Now we put the salt. It's not so big, so I can put directly like this. Half of the pepper, the other half I will smash it or ground it. We mix everything very well. At the end we add the wine, mix again, and after we need to put inside the gut. You can use one of these. If not, you can take a plastic bottle that have long net. You remove the top and the rest of the bottle, and you can use this one. So I will try with a plastic bottle because it's more longer. So we put the gut here, more that we can. After we tie it and we cut the part that we don't need it, the long part. we stuff the gut, we tie it again, and I will try to tie it in the proper way. If you cannot tie it in the proper way, don't worry, you can tie it like you're able to do it, because it's not important that it's very beautiful, but important that work well. Don't worry if, like me, you have filled too much the gut. It's okay. The gut that is broken, you remove the meat from the gut, you cut it the gut, and you keep the remaining part. I put the meat with the other, and I fill the other one again, a little bit less, and I tie it differently. Now I'll show you. But before, remember that after that you tied the gut with a nail, you need to make a hole in the meat. In this way, the air inside the gut and between the meat will go out. If not, you spoil your salami, your cacciatorini. After that, you have tied and make the hole in your salami with a nail. You need to hang up at room temperature for 24 hours. After, you will put in the basement with the temperature of 15, 18 Celsius degree, and after 1 week you can put at the temperature of 10 Celsius degree if you have the basement. If no, if you have the problem that I have, you should do like me, 24-36 hours at room temperature, and after we hang in the fridge. So at the end, the good things of this broken gut is that these salami are short, so it will be easy to put in the fridge. Like this one is too long for the fridge, so probably I will hang them inside the fridge like this, like chestnut, I don't remember, like this. So see you in 36 hours to put our salami in the fridge. Unfortunately, the meat that I found was not fresh. So yesterday night when I leave the salami at room temperature, they have a nice smell. This morning they are smelling like a dead dog. So I throw all my salamis. It's okay because it's only 1 kilogram of meat, but no choice. So now I will go in another shop, because the problem that here in Thailand we have no a butchery, but I should go in the supermarket. I hope that is in this other supermarket the meat will be better. And tomorrow morning I will make again the cacciatorini. Don't worry, I don't show you the video, but I will show you when I put them in the fridge. So see you tomorrow. Same things, I fill the gut with the nail. I make the hole in the gut. Now we should hang like this at room temperature. This time I will hang only 8 hours, no more, and after we put in the fridge. I make 4 small, they will dry faster, and 2 bigs, so we can start eating the small one and after the big one, but we will see this in 2-3 weeks. So now we hang at room temperature and after in the fridge. After only 2 weeks, the cacciatorini, a few of them are ready. The small one, they are already dry. Some of them are still soft. So now I cannot resist. I will cut one to taste it. And the other one we will cut maybe next week. If you come close, I can show you that there is a mold, the white mold on the salami. This is why I take the line from other salami that I have already the mold, I put together with this. In this way the mold go from the line to the salami. Come that we try at least this one, because I want to check inside how is going everything. Spectacular. Okay guys, see you next week, because I will wait 1 week more to cut one of the bigger, because if you remember, two are bigger than this one. Bye bye. Spectacular. After 20 days in the fridge, they are perfect, they are hard, but not too much. Also, like already I mentioned, there is the right mold on the skin. I prepare also the ciabatta bread. Now I will test it for you. Usually you should remove the skin. Spectacular. Homemade ciabatta bread plus homemade cacciatorini. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave my like it, to watch all the other videos. For any question, down in the comments. Bye bye. Spectacular. Also the smell.